So there are a lot of videos on Fivers, right? Fivers is a very simple way to keep your workplace clean and organized and safe so that you reduce your errors, improve productivity, and improve quality. There are a lot of videos available in the internet, but there are not a lot of content on how to implement these Fivers in a step-by-step manner in your company. And that's what we are going to learn in this particular video. So come, let's get started. Hi there, this is Anant, your trusted lean manufacturing implementation partner, and welcome to Kaizen Club. In this particular video, we are going to break down the Fivers implementation into 24 weeks or 6 months, and every week we are going to implement a small portion of Fivers so that within a period of 6 months you will be able to implement Fivers in a very structured manner, very easy way with a lot of confidence, so that people can also sustain the Fivers implementation for a long term. So that's what we are going to learn in this particular video. To start this implementation, we need to create a couple of structures for implementation. The first one is the champion, deputy champion, and the core team. This is like BCCI who is running this IPL, right? I'm going to take an example of IPL game which is run by BCCI. So BCCI is the organization which is running IPL, right? So BCCI will have so many team members who will focus on IPL, right? So similarly, in your company, Fivers has to be run, right? Fivers has to be implemented by a core team members. For this core team members, we need a person who is like a champion, right? So that person, let us call him as Fivers champion, right? To assist him, to support him, we need a couple of deputy champions. And to run the Fivers event, we need a few core team members, right? Like how BCCI will have multiple teams engaging on multiple activities. For example, to run a program like IPL, there will be at least, I would say like 1,000 people working with BCCI, right? This is my assumption. For example, okay, one team will focus on the logistics of the players, another team will focus on the ground and ground related activities, another team will be focusing on the ticketing activity, another team will focus on the broadcasting, right? In broadcasting also there are multiple avenues of broadcasting. One is social media, another one is the traditional television, then there are radios, FM radio marketings, and then there is a Instagram marketing, Twitter marketing. So that there are so many teams working in parallel. Similarly, for our Fivers core team, we are going to form 5 teams. The 5 teams are, the first one is task team. So this task team will have 2 or 3 members whose job is to assign the weekly task to the zones, right? Their job is to give the task. That's what they want to do. And next we are having an audit team, the second team. The audit team's responsibilities are to go and audit whether the task given by the task team is completed or not. So that is the job of the audit team. So the audit team will give the scores for each and every zone, and then they will give the weekly winners of the particular task. Third one is the weekly meeting and coordination team. They will arrange for the weekly meetings or bi-weekly meetings, whatever you want to know, how you want to do it. And also they will have a purchase person who will take care of buying the rewards, right? There will be a small reward given to the winning team. In IPL they will give a lot of awards at the end of each and every match, right? The longest 6, the maximum number of 4s, maximum 6s, maximum wickets, man of the match, all those things. So like that, every week or every bi-weekly we will have a small announcement. The winning team will be getting a small reward. So that has to be planned. So that will be done by the meeting and rewards purchase team. And then the fourth team is the training team. This team will be responsible for training the employees on Fivers, right? Every day or every week they will have a few members. They will be assigned, those members will be given training by the training team members. And then finally we have the documentation team. Their responsibilities is to ensure that all the photographs, 1-point lessons, anything related to Fivers, they will store it in a proper organized way, and they can also help in preparing the PPTs for the top management. So 5 core teams: task team, audit team, meetings and reward purchase team, training team, and documentation team. So these 5 teams will be reporting to the deputy champion and the champions. So this is called as a core team in the company. And then we are also planning to categorize the company into different zones, right? Maybe if the company is very small, you can have 5 to 6 zones. If the company is a large company, you can have like 9 to 10 zones or maybe 12 zones. We will advise not to go more than 12 zones because it will be very difficult for you to manage, right? So like a maximum of 12 zones, and each zone will have a zone captain and a vice captain and a few zone members. Similarly, when you classify the zones, don't make one zone having 50 members, another zone having 5 members. So try to have equal number of people in the zones, right? So each zone will have a captain, vice captain, and a few zone members. They are like the playing teams, right? In IPL we have multiple teams, right? Chennai Super Kings, Mumbai Indians, Royal Challengers, Kolkata Knight Riders. Like that, we have 10 teams, 10 zones, with each with their own captains and vice captains. So they are going to play the game of 5S implementation. So the core team is responsible for conducting the 5S game, and the zone team are the players who will play for this trophy, the 5S best performing team trophy, right? So this is the overall structure. So now let us look at the week wise activities. So the first week activity, we are going to finalize the core team, finalize the roles and responsibilities of the core team. All these things we are explained in the 5S implementation kit, which you can download by giving your email ID in the comments, right? For the people who are going to comment their email IDs, we will be sending a link where you can download the entire kit. There is a free sample which covers up to 6th week or 7th week, and then you can also pay for a full kit which is covering the entire 24 weeks. It's just 999 rupees. You can use it as a step-by-step implementation guide in your company, right? So week 1 we are going to form the core team. Then roles and responsibilities have to be given to the core teams, forming the zones, zone captains, finalizing the rewards. Everything will happen in the first week. Second week we are going to start with the 5S pledge card, and then creating the organization chart, 5S zone map. All these 3 activities will be done in the week 2. And in week 3 we have the 5S information sharing board, conducting morning meetings, and reward and recognition finalization. So these the initial 3 weeks are called pre-5S activities, meaning we will start with 1S, but before that there are some foundation activities to be done, right? So that's what we are calling it as pre-5S. So to ensure a smooth implementation of 5S, we need this pre-5S activities to be completed. So first 3-4 weeks we are going to do that, and then on the 4th week we are going to introduce the first S to the company. We are going to give the training. So the training team will train the zones on the first S, that is sorting activity, removing the unwanted item and wanted items, scrapping the unwanted items. In case of any doubtful items, it will be moved to the red tag. So this training will be given. We are also going to prepare the red tags, and then my mission, my responsibility. We are assigning, if there are some critical missions, we are going to assign a few people for each of these missions, right? So this will happen in week 4. From week 5 we will start the implementation of 1S, removing the unwanted item. 5 and 6, week 5 and week 6 we will implement the 1S. We will we will do the auditing team will audit the zones and give a score, and the meeting team will give a reward, right? So all these 5 teams, they will start working every week, right? So week 7 and 8 we are going to focus on the second S, arrangement of items, locating. Each and every person will list down the tools and other jigs and fixtures, whatever they want. They will list it and they will arrange it in their place. So this is the set in order in 7th and 8th week. Week 9 and 10 we will start labeling and numbering, and then week 11 and 12 we will start using the visual management activities, creating 1-point lessons, right? Educating the team. So we have given at least 3-4 weeks for the second S because it's going to take some time, right? The 1S and 2S, they will always take some time because they are physical implementations, right? Once we go to the third S, it's only monitoring and maintaining the systems, but 1S and 2S will take more time. On 13th and 14th week, we'll start with third S. We'll also start with the cleaning checklist. Each and every person will start cleaning their workplace, right? There will be the supervisor should check and sign it. And then 15th and 16th week, we'll start with autonomous maintenance. and then my mission, my responsibilities. Each and every person has to be responsible for a tool rack, or it can be a mission, it can be a table, right? It will be maintained by that person. So there is a checklist for that also. And then on the 17th and 18th week, we will start the 4th years in the company, creating the visual indicators, SOPs and signboards, standardizing the signboards. All those things will happen on the 17th and 18th week. On 19th and 20th week, we will start the 10-minute cleaning activity in all the zones, right? So every day at the start of the shift, people will do a quick 3 years activity in their workplace, and then only they will start their work. So this will ensure that the first 3 years, the 3 years will get sustained in the company, right? And then creating a monthly calendar, all these things will happen on week 19 and 20. Week 21 and 22, we will also play some, we'll also conduct some 5 slogan contests, and then best performing zones, right? We will have some 5 related cultural activities, week 21 and 22. Week 23 and 24 will be finalizing the overall benefits, whatever we have done. What is the impact of the 5 right? Is there a reduction in terms of defects? Is there a reduction in searching time? The overall quality, delivery time has improved or not? So all those things can be monitored during the 23rd and 24th week. So overall, if you see, you have structured the 5 activity into 6 months, and each and every week the 5 core teams will work, and that will be monitored by the 5 champion and deputy champion. And every week there will be a small review which should be conducted by the top management. So it's a continuous 6 months program. Yeah. So when we do this, 5 get implemented and get sustained in the company. So this is our methodology, and we have implemented this methodology in many companies. And even after 5 years, or one company where we implemented like 5 years back, they are still sending the weekly reports to us. We are still in the WhatsApp group. We are still getting the pictures. So 5 will get sustained over a period of time when we do all these basics right? 5 is not just about cleaning and showing some pictures, right? We want to do it in a structured manner, and this particular methodology will help in implementing 5 in a structured manner. If you want to download this particular document, please give your email ID in the comment section. We will share the link for downloading. There are 2 stages. One is a sample download, which is a free download. Okay, that sample document will have up to 6th week. And then if you want to download the full 5 implementation guide, you can download it by just paying 999 rupees. It's just 1000 rupees. Comparing to the overall implementation cost, is just nothing, right? So a very, very reasonable cost. We want to take this methodology to a lot of audience. So if you want this full document, you can share your email ID. We'll send it to you. So thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you in the next video. See you. Bye-bye.